Step 1. Select Amazon Alexa on the center display screen. Step 2. Follow the process to link to your Amazon account. Begin by selecting Get Started. Step 3. Visit Amazon.com/code or scan the QR code shown on the screen. Step 4. Enter your Amazon account credentials. Once you do, the center display will indicate the vehicle is now registered to your account. Step 5. Select the Remember Me checkbox if you wish to remain signed in. Step 6. Follow the Amazon Alexa Auto setup process on the center display screen. It will guide you through some of the many great voice command features of the system. Step 7. Once you've signed into Alexa through the audio system, you can trigger Alexa 3 ways. You can say the wake word, Alexa, from anywhere in the vehicle. You can press the talk button on the steering wheel, or you can select the Alexa icon from inside the app.